guys, it's Salve and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a short video of me putting on makeup that I just got. So I haven't tried it on. So these are makeup products that I've been meaning to get for a long while now. So the first one is this Real Techniques mini brush trio. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to be this mini, I swear. I was so surprised because it's so tiny. Like, it's just like really finger size. It's really mini. And the next that I got is this Maybelline the Falsy Slash Lift. Ilang beses ko to inad sa cart ko, pero I keep forgetting to check it out during the sale. I know I'm kuripot. It's $3.99, but on the sale it's $3.49. So yeah, I haven't opened it. So let's open it. This has really good reviews too. So, and I love mascara. Like, at dati, I don't really put makeup, but mascara has always been like really interesting for me. Hindi pa ako nag-wax. Yeah, super cute niya. And the next one that I got is the Vice Cosmetics. Tagal na nito, pero ngayon lang kumuha. I got the Aura Contour in Porsour. So it's this one. This is for bronzer. I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. And I got the Aura Glow in Splendid. So I got these two for 99 pesos. Very affordable. And nagulat ako, it's designed and formulated in Los Angeles, California. I'm like, girl. By the way, sorry if you could hear like voices outside. Yung kapitbahay nagpapa-construction. So like, can you like, just kidding. But yeah, so I got these two. The last new makeups that I got are Colourrette's new and improved Color Snap. So stay until the end of this video because I'm gonna be having a giveaway. Because I reached 500 subscribers. Like, that's really like surreal to me because I always thought I wouldn't even reach 500 subscribers, but I did. So wait till the end of this video. So anyway, yeah, let's start putting on makeup. Just like for everyday, this BLK skin tint, sun tint, yeah, skin tint, it's really nice. Like, see that? I'm glowing. That's not me, that's the thing. So nice, right? If you haven't checked my review on these products or like my try on of these Universal 2.0, I'm gonna put down the link below so you guys could watch it. Support!
I don't really have an explanation.
By the way, I just want to say I got all of this during the 99 sale. Except for the color snaps. I didn't get those during the 99 sale. I got it like a week before. But the rest of them I got during the 99 sale. So, prices may vary because sale price. So, this is the final look. It's very natural long. This is basically what I could use if I had online class. Maybe I'd do this if like I feel CPAG or something. So, very natural lang siya. This is bloom, this is waves. At first I was scared that the color wouldn't like match, but I think it does. And oh my gosh, you guys, the eyelashes. That eyelashes though, and the mascara. The mascara is really nice. So yeah. The bronzer, the contour, I don't know. So, final look. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this really short, quick get ready with me. And now, for the most awaited part. Since I reached 500 subscribers, that's a milestone for me. So, because of that, I will be giving away 2 color snaps to 1 winner. The color snaps, the shades of the color snaps will be chosen by the winner, so I didn't buy yet. I'm gonna buy once I choose the winner, so they have the option to choose the shades that they prefer. So, the mechanics, the mechanics, I will be posting it down below, and make sure to follow all of them and send me screenshots on IG so I know who is following. Remember, the unfollowers or unsubscribers from last giveaway are not welcome to this giveaway because, you know, that's not nice. So yeah, again, thank you again for watching. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!